Hello! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Madhuvanti Biswas and you're watching Advice Showtime. As usual, I'm never on time. Okay, so today I have made a list. I will be answering awkward questions or uncomfortable questions that boys are too afraid to ask girls. And in the later part of the video, I will be answering some personal questions, and I think after that you might be knowing me better. Okay, let's start. Does size matter? No. Your stamina matters. Stamina matters.
समझ रहे हो ना?
Things you need to face when you wear short clothes.
All the ladies wear this shorted dress or naked direct.
This is a video that went viral in 2018 and it clearly shows how Indian people think that the reason for rape is wearing short clothes. Coming back to wearing short clothes, not only when you wear short clothes but whenever you wear long clothes also, there will always be a person looking at you, staring at you or bothering you. So don't give a fuck at that things, okay? When you're a child, nobody bothers you so much, but eventually when you grow up, there will be a lot of people telling you what to wear, what not to wear. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you are comfortable in. Dating a guy shorter than you, it's fine. But for my preference, I would rather not do that. I like taller guys or guys like of my height. That's fine. Are pads uncomfortable? They're too much uncomfortable. And especially the first time you wear that, they make such weird, such weird noises. I don't know how to explain them, but they are literally so uncomfortable. And the happy time is that when you finally get over with your period and the last day you are wearing that last pad, when you remove it.
इतना सुकून I'm like भगवान पार्टी लेगा पिज़्ज़ा खाएगा पिज़्ज़ा मैं मंगा रहा
Do girls poop? Who wants to know this?
नहीं लोग कहाँ से आते हैं?
We don't poop. We don't poop. We don't fart. We don't sweat. We don't do anything gross. When girls say I'm fine, are you actually fine? Never. I'm telling you, never. And more pissing part is that when the guy doesn't understand that language, matlab, I'm giving you hints, dude, understand it. If I'm saying I'm fine, I'm not fine. What I meant earlier was that when a girl says that she's fine, she's not fine, and if you don't figure out what's wrong in the next 20 seconds, she's just gonna go crazy on you and rip your head off. When girls all go to the washroom, what are they doing? You know what? Every girl is a lesbian.
कुछ भी
I'm just joking. Taking pictures for bitching. Yeah, it's true. Matlab, whenever you're between everyone and you just want to gossip about something, bitch about someone, you just rush to the washroom. Proper answer to do I look fat? You don't. This is the proper answer. Because iske baad tumhara cut jayega. Why do women spend so much time in the shower? जब मैं शावर करने जाती हूँ तो I take my phone with me and I will be listening to song and dancing in my shower. That takes up a lot of time. But sometimes making arguments, like taking Oscar and all of those things, girls do that, okay? First thing you notice in a guy, it's their dressing sense, the way they talk. That matters a lot. I mean, first impression is the last impression, and like that tells about their personality a lot. Do girls masturbate? Of course we do. Boys masturbate, girls also masturbate. It's all about pleasure or exploring yourself. Best gift for girls? No, I don't know what the best gift is, but a simple thing that will make any girl smile or happy. That give her flowers, give her chocolates, compliment her. That eventually makes a girl happy. How can a guy tell that you like him? If I like a guy, I do not give any sign. Like there's no way you can understand it. Most of the girls, if secretly they are even liking the boy, even if the boy comes, I don't like you, stay away. So it's not possible for them. But if the girl actually shows, like they will be replying to a text faster. There will be a change in their behavior. They will feel like butterflies when you come, when you are around. Are periods painful? Too much painful. Too much painful. Like, oh my god, especially those first day and the second day, they just kill you, you know. It's like a knife is stabbing you. Like too much painful. That's it. Still, I will be answering some personal questions, and I think it would help you to know me better. How tall am I? I'm 5'1". I'm almost 5'2". I'm pretty short. What is your nickname? Please do not call me by my nickname after this. My nickname is Sneha, okay? What is your dream job? Being an YouTuber. What are your hobbies? I love clicking pictures, like my pictures, and I love singing. Do you have any pet? I do have. I have a dog and it's a he. And it's now been like 10 years we are together. It's so cute. He's so cute. How old are you? I'm 16. And that's why the comments are off, guys. I can't help it anyhow. But if you still want to talk about something, you can DM on my Instagram account. Link is given below. Please follow me there, okay? What's your favorite food? Noodles. They are super sexy.
क्या बोला तूने?
Super tasty. That is all I have for you today. Please make sure that you subscribe my channel because there are more videos coming your way and I don't want you to miss them. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video till the end. It means so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Ta-da.